teaching the basics of quilting class here at the store. This is a wonderful class to take to learn how to quilt. We cover everything right from reading your pattern, rotary cutting, quilt construction, how to properly attach your borders, and how to do two different kinds of bindings, binding by hand or binding by machine. It's a 6-session class, and by the time you go from class 1 all the way to class 6, your binding should be on your quilt and you have a beautiful new project to enjoy. Even if you've quilted for a number of years and you would like to just take the class because you like the pattern, you're also more than welcome to join us. And if you haven't quilted for quite a few years and you feel like you're a little rusty, you can join us just to brush up on all of your techniques.